Basically, it's the lizard and the controller. I think we're gonna need, looks like a Phillips head to get that off, and we gotta put batteries in it. And you're gonna go lefty-loosey on this screw. Don't lose it either, okay? Not opening the way I want. Here, oh, here we go. So the screw kind of, looks like it stays in there. Let's go ahead and set that down. So it looks like you're gonna need AAA batteries. Here's the negative side. We gotta smush that in there. And then we gotta put one on this side too. And then we just gotta put the thing back in there. So we gotta slide it in like that. And then we just gotta screw her down. So this time we're gonna go clockwise. Yeah. Okay. I think we're good. And now our controller's ready to go. So we're gonna let it charge a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll try it out. How's that sound? All right, so we put it on the wall, we press this, it goes up, we press this, it goes down, press that, it goes right, press that, it goes left. And that's it, really. So we've enlisted my associate here who's gonna help us with this. She's holding the Gecko. Arr. Now flip him over.
Oh.
All right, now right here, there's a little button. You see it? What you gotta do is you gotta smush it all the way over to the right.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, if you can get your fingernail in there. Okay, good. Now you're just gonna set
Put it on there?
Yeah, just set it on there. Just like that. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
All right, now
Can I let go?
Yeah, you can let go. And here's your controller. Now, if you want it to go up, you press that.
All right, guys, ready?
Press it. Oh, there we go. Now you press the other one to go down.
Oh.
All right, now you can press it. Yeah, there you go. Now
Wow, he goes fast.
Yeah, he does. See if you can get him to switch all the way up and go up. All right, make him go up. Oh, that is so cool.
Whoa.
What do you think?
I think this is the greatest invention of mankind.